How to fix Lennox furnace, that is a gas device or furnace, step by step in this video. I'll show you how you can simply reset it or how you can fix it just on your device. For this, follow the steps I'm going to show you in the video. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to reset a Lennox furnace, including how to find the reset button. Now, firstly, I'll tell you how to simply restart it. Step 1 is turn off the power. Locate your furnace power switch, usually a toggle switch near your or the unit. Flip it off for safety before touching any of the components. Now, our second step will be locating the reset button on our device. The reset button on mostly Lennox furnaces behind the front panel of the furnace, often located on the blower, motor housing, or near the igniter of your furnace. It's typically red or yellow and a small round button. You can see it. Now, if you cannot see it right away, use a flashlight to look near the burner area or along the limit switch panel, you will get it. Step 3 is press the reset button. Now, if you find the reset button, press and hold the reset button for about 3 or 5 seconds. You might feel or hear a click sound from your appliance. Now you should release the button from near and follow the fourth step, that is restore power. Turn the furnace power switch back on again without touching it. Wait a few moments for the furnace to reboot it, and it should start running if there is no underlying issue. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more.